Hi everyone, welcome back to Workato in a minute. My name is Manav, and I'll be explaining how to work with null values when applying your formulas. Workato gives you a rich library of over 400 formulas that help you cleanse, validate, enrich, and transform the data in your recipes. When building your automations, it's common to want to convert cases of strings from upper to lowercase, for example, or even vice versa, using formulas like downcase and upcase. Removing unwanted characters from a string like spaces using strip, or special characters using parameterize, or even joining together an array of different strings with a separator using join. However, for a formula to work correctly, the input data pill must have a value. Occasionally, these source data pills are null and result in errors when the formula tries to be applied. Here are 3 tips that you can use to avoid formula errors when working with null values. The first tip is using a prefix. By adding an and prefix before a formula, it only gets applied when the input value is not null. The second tip is using alternate values. Oftentimes, your source data can contain the same value in multiple different fields. A good example of this is the email address of a lead, which can either be captured using a work email or a personal email. Since we care about obtaining just a single valid email from either of these 2 fields, we use the OR operator to choose between them. And remember that order matters, so make sure to prioritize your work email by placing it first in the formula. The third tip is using conditional operations. You can go a step further and use conditional logic to apply formulas with even more precision. In the example, we use the work email when the lead type is an organization, and we use the personal email when the lead type is just an individual. And as you can see, we also put the and prefixes before each of the formulas to ensure that it does not report any errors when the input values are null. Hope you found these tips useful for avoiding formula errors caused by null values. Got suggestions for future Workato in a minute videos? Drop us a note at product@workato.com, and thank you for stopping by.